want to make sure you're using the latest version of Microsoft Teams. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Teams on Windows, check your current version, update the mobile app, and what to do if you don't see an update option. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and look at the top of the Teams window. When an update is available, Teams can display an update notification. You may also see an option to update and restart Teams from the Settings and More menu. If you see Update and Restart Teams, select it. Teams will close, install the update, and normally reopen automatically. If it doesn't reopen, simply launch Teams again from Windows. Microsoft says the desktop app normally updates automatically when an update is available and Teams is idle. To check which version you're currently using, open Settings and More, select Settings, then choose About Teams. Look under Version to see your installed version and whether an update is available. On a phone, the process is slightly different. Open the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Microsoft Teams, and select Update if one is available. If you see Open instead, the store isn't currently offering an update. If you're using Teams in a web browser, there's normally nothing you need to install manually. Microsoft says the Teams web app is always updated, so you can simply refresh the page or reopen Teams in your browser. After updating, give Teams a fresh start. Close the app completely and open it again. Then check your chats, meetings, microphone, camera, and other features to make sure everything is working normally. If you don't see an update option, don't worry. Teams may already be up to date, or your organization may manage updates for your work or school account. In that situation, you may need to wait for the update to be deployed or contact your IT administrator. If Teams is behaving strangely after an update, reinstalling the desktop app can be another option. Uninstall Teams, then install the latest version again. This can help when the existing installation has become corrupted or isn't updating correctly, and that's how to update Microsoft Teams. Check for an available update, use Update and Restart Teams, verify your version, or update through your phone's App Store. So keeping Teams current helps you get the latest features, improvements, and fixes.